Okay, so last semester we done 3 ways of factoring. First is finding the GCD and no, it's really answering. First is GCD and GCF. What is second one? Yeah, we talked about factoring. What is second method? The finding, no, not grouping. That's what we're today. What's the bit? Finding the oh boy. Finding the remember the finding now start like very random now. Finding a combination. Yeah. And then the last one is smiley way. Smiley way. Yeah. Let's see group 1 point. Smiley way, 3 way. Okay. Today we're gonna learn the four. The four is easy. It's about the called factor by grouping. But that is very specific from the other one because you're gonna see that only apply when you see four terms. Okay. Before we go in that, I want to review the factoring method we have learned first. Okay. Always check out the GCD first, and then because they're asking for solving, you need to give me what is the x. Okay. After you have them in factor like this, in parentheses like this, you need to give me what is the x. Okay. To finish. That's correct. You don't remember this? GCD first. Where is GCD? Zero. Oh. I take over. That's correct. A lot of just to remember. You guys have one that and then you have no idea. Okay. Understand. Last one is. Yes, that's the fact. Now you solve it. You get the answer from that. Can you box it? What else? Yes. All right. We done? Gonna count 1, 2, 3, you're gonna raise your ball, okay? Okay, wait. Yes, sir. 1 more minute then. Thirty more seconds. Okay. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. Everybody gonna raise your ball, okay? 1, 2, 3. Everybody. If you're not done still, just raise your ball. Raise your foot. Can I box you? That's my period 4. That's very good. 95%. 95% still remember. All right. Good. He's just like, oh. Right, everything is one more. Okay. Anyway, that's crazy. But that's good. It has been like months, right? Months. We've done this, so let's stay very lasting. All right, what is the GCD for these two? Look at the number 8 and 64. I can get out 8. Okay, look at the letter. Okay, so if you were struggling last semester, here what we're going to review. Okay, if you see all the letters like this, the smallest power is the GCD. Okay, say it again. If you see all the term have the letter x like this, the least power, the smallest power is the GCD. So x squared and x, which one is the GCD? X. Okay, so take it now. Ax squared. After I take it now, ax, what do we have left? That's mean I divide it. Not subtract. Okay. Ax squared divided by ax, what do we have left? X. 64x I divided by ax, what do we have left? 8. Right? Positive or negative? Positive. 8. I think 98% you all got this. So check when you answer. Okay. Now answer this. Basically, you're gonna find what is the value of the x so that each of this equal to 0. Okay. So what value of x so that this whole thing equal to 0? 0. Yeah. So if you're confused whether it's 1, whether it's -1, then think about it. You want to find the value that makes this one equal to 0. Then obviously that is 0. Okay, that's the first solution. How about the next one? -8. Put -8 here. -8 plus 8 is 0. Or the shortcut way is just take the opposite number. Okay? We talk about this. Take the opposite number. So positive 8, yes, sir, going to be negative. 95% you heard. Very good. You said include those who did it. I don't do that. All right, let's do the second one.
Oh, we're supposed to be
No.
I didn't see.
How is it? Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, raise your board, okay?
I swear.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, everybody. That's correct. Well, only one minus everything is good. That's correct. That's almost there. You almost there. Very good. Very good.
But this is
Okay. Okay, we're gonna talk about that. All right. I would say maybe 85%. Okay. Good. So in this case, we're gonna do finding combination, right? So what are two numbers multiplied to 10? 2 and 5. What else? 1 and 10. Right. Which one do you think you can get? 1 and 10. Okay. With this, then we develop. Yeah. So 1 and 10. 25 x here. Right. Now, what is the sign of 1 and the sign of 10? Minus and minus. Also, you should check, right? 10. 1 is positive 10. To make sure. X equal to x equal to take the opposite number. Okay? That question. Right, remember sometimes like the I think numbers if you have like 6 and 2 and 3, 6 and 1. They both can give you number 5 in the middle. Special case. So, but the main thing of is always check the one. The last time you got the oh, that is my way. That's nothing. But party combination, you need to check. You need to check. How do you know when you smiley way? The smiley way when you see the number at the front. You're getting there. You're getting there. This one, no number reference, you don't do the smiley way. It's just not necessary. The smiley way is still correct. Like this, okay, like this. Like this is the smiley. Because they have the number 2 on the front of the expression. Okay, this is now smiley way right here. Two minutes. Same concept here. You want to apply the combination, but now not only the back, but now you also need to find the combination of the front. Okay. Also, the order of the back matters or doesn't matter? Remember, matters. Order of the back matters. For example, 20, you have 5 and 4. It's different from 4 and 5. So that in mind. Right. See the point. So,
See that kind of thing.
We're gonna stop your like
Yeah, that's
that's great. It ends. I never found you.
good. Still two. Let's do it on paper. Sure.
You think I'm alive? Oh my god.
We will talk about this. For second lab, the only difference is you have on the front. Then this is where you yeah. No. Close. All right, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, rest of all, okay? 1, 2, 3, everybody. That's good, but only one minus. Oh, you're on. Rush it. Okay, everybody, rest your all, rest your all. Even if you're not finished, that's fine. Just bring it back so we can see where you're working on. What are you doing? Okay. All right. Oh, close. Okay, so this one is the one that a lot of you may forget. Okay. Here we go. That's number on the front. What are two numbers multiplied to 2? 1 and 2. So I'm reviewing my smiley way too. Okay. First, you're going to the lesson again. Different from this one. This one doesn't have number in front. This one has a number. So we're going to find the combination for the one as well. Where did you find it? It's here on the front. So we're going to write the front. Okay. So y next. You can yeah. You're gonna be still the same. 2x. Order on the front.
the matter is
What are two numbers multiplied to 20? 5, 4, 20 and 1, 10, 2, right? And again, order of the back matters or doesn't matter? Matter. So 5 and 4, also 4 and 5. 1 and 20, and then 2 and 6. How many total of combinations? 6. Okay, you need to check all 6 of this. But as we talk about, the smiley way is when you're gonna like this long smiley way and out smiley way, right? Remember this? So you wanna think what number you're gonna put it here so that add them, you're gonna have 3. 3 is pretty small number. Do you think 20 gonna get the 3? No, right? So instead of try all 6 of them, you can just think like Work smart, right? Better than work smart. I think I want to get 3. So I think 20 not is 3. Right? That's too big. What pair you think is kind of close? 5 and 4. Right? The difference is kind of small. I think I can guess 3, 4. It's kind of still big. Try. I think this is the most promising one. So let's try it. 5 and 4. Okay. 5, 4. Now, what is the sign? Why is plus and minus? Good. Still remember this. If the last sign is negative, 1 plus 1 minus. What if the last sign is positive? Right. You want to copy exactly the same computer stuff. Yeah, 1.4 ready. This is say the reason why that works. Maybe I think you're ready. If this is minus, then they must have different sign, right? Like positive and negative. But if this is positive, they must be the same sign. If they're negative, some negative, it's still positive. And positive, some positive, it's still positive. That's why it is positive. That's the reason why. But this is same, this is negative, so it must be different. So I don't know. Just try maybe plus and minus, right? Now smiley wave. Smiley wave means smiley plus the outer smiley. Okay. What is the 5 times x? What is the 2x times negative 8? Oh, kind of that's right. So 5x. Add them together. What do you have? Negative 3x. Does it match? Yes. So that is the one. Let's say if you do the other way around the sign. What is one? Right? We don't know yet. When you multiply, you're gonna have 5 8. And later on, you're gonna have when you add them, 3x. They're very close. Only different sign. What do you try another combination? No, you just flip the sign. So it's a review the lesson. So this is going to be plus when you multiply 5x minus 3x, that gives me exactly the answer. And don't be so excited then found a combination and you stop right there because you're gonna get one more out. Because is it finished? No, you need to give the answer. Let's solve it. You flip this one and divide it by this. So negative 5 over 2. Okay. How about this? X is basically you need to divide this, but this is 1. That's right. 4 divided by 1 is still 4. But yeah, you always need to divide. Oh, this is also review from Wednesday. All right, let's see who can see this. What is this? I see like. Oh, this is not from the last Wednesday. It's from last Wednesday. Yeah. So Rashid, that's what we done last Wednesday. Last. This is Friday, right? Today's Friday. Last Wednesday. This. All right, January 24. Happy? Okay, that's January 24. That's what we done this. That last Wednesday.
This is 26.
Yeah, I mean, we learn on Wednesday.
Oh.
See. Say again, say again. Go ahead, everybody. I want you to listen. Say again, say again. So what formula did you use? All right. If we didn't learn anything on Wednesday, then you can do what party combination, right? Party combination. That's a long way. But last Wednesday, what did we learn? It's equal to what? X squared plus. Well, in this case, it's going to be x because I want to take 2x. So 2xb plus square. This is the square of binomial. By yeah, the square is equal to be more on this side because by is 2. So binomial just means this the square of 2 terms. How? Next question. How do it? How? Why did I say this is equal?
Because it's the same thing.
That's the same thing, right? So if you can write me to look at this board and first is the x square, right? The x square plus 2 times x. What is the b? Think about this. B is 2 or 4. We say 4. We say 2. B squared is 4. So what is b? 2. So times 2. And then b is squared. So this is 2 squared. Is it not the same formula? That's exactly the same. Now, if you go backward to the formula, then what is this equal to? X plus 2. X plus 2 square. What is the answer then? X equal to negative 2. No need to find combination. If you can see it. Yes, that's what I'm going to ask next. Okay, let's see. There is one point. The square is 2 of them. So it's going to be. Single root doesn't matter. Single root is not important. Yeah. The middle term of the binomial, just multiply them together times 2. Why times 2? Okay, if you why this is 2 over here? That's someone asking me why there's 2. Because there are 2 of them. If you follow, there are 2 of them. Let's follow, okay? X sum x is x squared. X sum b is xb. Now let b sum x is bx, b sum b is b squared. Xb and bx are the same. That's why you have 2 of them. Now does it make sense? If you understand it, you can write the formula.
Because I just use like these.
Yeah. That's why you have 2 of them. Okay? Any question?
Oh, I wonder why.
Huh?
Maybe you want your
2 here? I said we write a 4 as a 2 times 2, so you can see easily that 2 is come from here, 2 is come from here. And then 2 times 2 is 4. That's natural. Now just break it down for you to easy to see. This is exactly this formula. So go backward to get this.
Here's my dog.
Yeah, this is exactly this. If you cannot see, that's why I'm going to rewrite it for you to see. If you want to test, okay, here we go. Pay attention. Pay attention. Everybody pay attention. If you want to test, if this is come from formula, easy. Divide this one by 2 and square it. If whatever you got is exactly the same here, that's the formula. For example, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 2 square is Oh, so this match, that's the formula. That's how you check it. Okay? Let's try one more. It's a formula. Now let's check. Okay? 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. So that's the formula. And what is it equal to? X plus 3. Right? 3 square is 9. Yeah? Let's do one more. Right, is it formula? Yes or no? Let's check. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 square is no. So this is not. Okay. Even though it look like it, it's not. Okay. What about this?
Yes.
Now it is yes. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 square is. So that is the formula. So what is this? X minus 5 square. Yeah. That's how you know where it is formula. 50 divided by 2 square. Did you check this video? Or?
No.
Last one?
No.
Yes. Yeah, this one you only put the number 2. This one you like way right over here. Make sense? That question? You divide the middle term by 2. Square. If you match it with the last term, then it is common. If it's not matching with the last term, then it's not common. Okay? That's the next equal to idea. The next is equal to 33 dr. Oh, this is not the same. If you want, you can write it, script this, but yeah, just extra. This one is from here to the right is at least you need to write this. This one is like this. When do you recognize? Yeah, sure. This is review last question. You know how to do this? Yeah, you get it now? Make sense? All right, now let's do a quiz. Okay, let's do it.
For point. I need to.
When do we have a quiz again? Next Friday. Next Friday. Did you read my message?
No.
That's why. We read it. I give you the agenda for this week. Next week. How many of you read this? Okay. Oh wait, that's the way that we communicate. Okay. Be on top of the thing. So next Monday, Wednesday, we're gonna do 6E, top 1, top 2, and then quiz on Friday. That's the review. That's review from last Wednesday, but also last year we also learned this. Last semester. Okay.
Why do you think it's fun to do the mic?
Let me. Hey. It's not very nice. It's gonna be the first year.
Imagine someone staring you with that.
Yes.
That's
What do you want? Every time I do
All right. Are you working on the board? Okay, it's fine. If you work on the board, you raise your board. If you not, it's fine. Raise your board, you can see. Good. That's good. That's good. Let's Good. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right. Most of you using the last as the method, right? What you gonna do? X plus 4, X minus 4, right?
Don't you just add?
Might as well.
That's okay. Right, what we want then? What we want with our last semester is to go
Yeah, I
to
can.
16, right? It's going to be x squared equal to 16. What else? Square rooted. Square rooted. X equal to plus minus 4. If you go this way, remember to have plus and minus. Okay. Now, way 2. The one we learned last semester. What is it equal to? X. Just in general. In general.
X plus B.
In general. In general. Formula. I'm talking about formula.
X plus B squared.
Oh,
Oh shit. X minus B.
Mister,
Yeah.
literally said that.
there is a 2. X. X plus B, X minus B. If you see exactly the same pair, it's going to be the first term square minus second term square, right?
No.
Square. 16. What number square becomes 16?
Four.
4. So you can just write x plus 4, x minus 4. Yeah. And then based on this, what is x? Who? Yeah. Who refer this way? Okay. Who refer this way? So yeah, it doesn't matter which way you go as long as the answer is correct. Okay, that matters. So just do the way that's comfortable to you. Okay. No double root. No double root. The two different. Well, how many solutions of the equation? Do you remember? How do we know? The highest power. Like that's how we look at this. And 2. So that one number. So that also means that's somehow you understand. Okay, we're done with the review. Do you like this one new? All right, same thing, solving. Same thing, but it's just make sure that you still remember this. No, just write. Just write. Oh, what is 6 on this? You receive email also. That one.
Huh?
Let's keep.
Oh god.
So try to find what you need to do first. Every time, always looking for what first? GCD. Okay, always looking for GCD first. Is there any GCD here? X, right? Again, they all have letters. Then you are looking for the smallest power, not the GCD. So smallest power is X. So what do we have left? Okay, what just get young?
X squared. X minus.
Very good. Now can you enter this? Please? Finding combination. Yeah, easy. By n. Okay. I'm gonna go faster here because we're going to go. Pi and 3, I can give me 2. Right? So pi, 3, what is the sign? Plus pi minus 3, what is the answer? Very good. Don't forget our old friend right here, okay? On the front, there always be 0. So -5 and x equal to 3. Let's keep going, guys. Yeah? The highest power is 3. Let's get your 3 solution. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The highest power of x showing you how many solutions are there. Okay? Yeah, every time you see x outside by itself, like this over 0. No matter how crazy it is, sometimes you see like outside, it's still 0. Okay? Like 100, 1001, still 0. Remember that. No matter how crazy it is, it's still 0. Every by itself like this. Let's go fast on this top one because this one is basically the main concept we learned today is how to write the grouping. So let's do it. All right, who wants to help me here? Fernando. X squared. Okay, they all have the letters, and then you're gonna look for the smallest power. That's the GCD. X squared here. Yeah. We have that x squared, right? Minus 3x. Yeah. Plus 2. You can also try by yourself to compare yourself. Okay. Now x squared here. Now how do you do this? One combination. Is it 2 is 2 times 1, right? So 2, 1 with the sign is minus and minus. Very good. What is the solution to this? 0. All right. Now asking this. What is the highest power of x? 4. It should have 4 solutions. What missing? Very, yeah, okay. Double 0, curve the square. Yeah. Curve the square. See if you know. Issue. Okay, next one. One for Fernando. Yeah, question. This one and this one?
Yeah.
Oh, because I body combination of 2. 2 with 2 someone. Right, that's called body combination. This is body combination. Okay. Let's go quick on part 1. So oh,
You like writing?
right, take a book. So body combination, right? 64. What are 2 numbers multiplied by 64? 8. 8 and 8. What else? 16 and 4. 32 and 2. 64 and 1. You can write up, but which one do you think can give me 20? All right, let's check up. Let's go over here. 16 and 4. I and then x here, x here. What is the sign? So it can give me negative. Negative 16 and negative 4. Very good. Now, please, question. It is correct so far. Look at this. X times x is x squared, right? But this x times x is not x squared, it's x 4. So what do you need to fix here? X squared here, X squared here. Okay. We learned this already. Just review. Remember to check the power. Power here is 4. So this each of these x must be x. Okay. And check and finish it. X squared minus 16. I think we just did it. Right? X equal to plus minus 4. How about this? X equal to plus minus. Very good. That's it. 1 point per second. Good job. Because 4 squared becomes 16. And then 2 squared. X squared because x squared times x squared x4. If you don't have a square, then it's not power 4. Well, if they only have square like this, power 2, then it's just x and x. But because this is power 4, so it must be x squared. Right, right. You can think that out. You can find the square 16 and work out the 4 and then square the 4. Just come from here. Right. It's exactly the same. What's that?
Oh, like this, huh?
Any questions so far? So far, part 1 we just reviewed. Okay? Let's see what else we need to. Okay. Oh, this one is. Right, this one is good. Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, coming.
That's how you get it. And then you do this. And then you just.
Yeah, which is the one I did. Okay, next.
Actually don't get it. You're actually. What is this?
why I say this one is good. I didn't see anyone correct yet, but that's okay. I think maybe we didn't talk about it last semester. All right, a lot of you got it right for the first solution. Okay, let's work one by one. Who want to try this? Chris, go ahead. What is GCD? We was where? A lot of you got this. So what do you have left? Plus 8, right? Plus 8 y squared. Y squared plus 7, okay? A lot of you got this, and then you got to find out this, right? What is the combination of 7 and 1? I mean 7 and 1. Right, so y, 7, 1. What is sign? Plus and plus. Is it correct so far? No. Because this is 4, right? Just talk about a little bit. All right. Now this is square. A lot of you didn't see it before. Anyone get it right? Because this one right. Y equals to 0, and it is. Do you know why? The reason? Because square equals to 0. Ready? It is equal to 0. That's what we want. Okay, you guys have more question. Can you give me any number that makes this 7? Give me any number. -7, put it in here, it's going to be 49, 49 plus 7, 56. Square root 7. You square it, you go to 7, 7 plus 7. Huh? -1 square is 1, 1 plus 7 is 8.
How about 1/7?
Oh, we don't talk about it. We only talk about the real one, not the real one. Huh? No, because plus and minus square root 7, when you square it, you still get the positive 7.
Square 7?
Huh?
Square 7?
That's
I mean, 1/7.
no, because plus and minus when you square it, it's still positive. Okay, so there's no number that makes it 0. Now, if I want to make it more sense to you, let me ask you this. Maybe it makes more sense to you. Okay, listen. Okay, I have a positive number. Right? This y squared can never be negative. So this one always what? Always positive. If you have a number that is always positive, okay, another positive number, can it be ever 0? No, it never be 0. So this one always positive. And then you add another positive number. So there's just no answer for this because it never be 0. How many solutions do you have? Only this. 2. That's 2. Right. What about the power? The power I'm gonna show you the unreal solution, but we don't give that unreal solution. Like the complex number but just get. Yeah. We didn't talk about it last semester. Okay, so now you learn. All right, 1 point for clarity. Go for the other one. There are two. Let me get it right. There are only 2 real solutions and 4 what? Imaginary solution. Unreal. Yeah. If you want to write it, it's going to be y equal to 79. What do I say? Yeah. Y equal to minus 1. But no, don't. You don't just. No, we just don't count it unless they ask you for it.
I learned it.
Okay, get right. You want it? All right, sure. Yeah, let's make it happen. Y equal to 79. Yeah. But that unreal, that imaginary. Your imaginary friend. Oh. Is it? That's it for the review. I think it's good for review. So this way we already done. That's this. That part 1. Part 1 basically is review. All right, this is fast. This is fast. This is fast. What is this? very similar to the x squared minus 16. But now you have don't do smiling way. Gary? So, ix go ahead. Minus what square becomes 16? 4. What square becomes 25x squared? Ix, that's what we got. Ix, that's one. Yeah. Do you agree that this is a minus b? Okay. X minus b, just square them, right? Pi x squared, pi x, everything squared is 25x squared, right? And then 4 squared 16. So that is the answer. Okay. Yeah, one more for Emma. No, I mean this is the factory, but you need to get the answer. Right? X is plus minus over. See? Last one for this. Last
Yeah, it's plus minus. No. There's just
one. Even plus the part 2. Like 5. Just two. This is the it just care what it's just counting is very long. And this is my own experience. So I also do meditation. If I set the timer to like 30 minutes, the first 25 minutes is very fast. But then the last 5 minutes is very long. Right? I keep looking at the clock. So if you keep counting, it's going to be long. So just go. How did I get one check? I just give 1 point check. And then Chris too again. Let me ask everyone first. What do you want to do first? GCD. Good. Good. Now Louis, go ahead. What is GCD? W? Yeah. No, just confident. Yeah. Remember, we didn't talk about this. You don't want a negative of the first term. Nice power, right? So check out a negative. Good, Louis, go ahead. So it's going to be minus 8 W plus 16. Very good. So when you took out the negative outside, you need to flip everything. Okay. So flip this. Okay. Now we go back to what this combination. 2 number multiplied to 16. Oh, I think that. Also, you think about this. Can you check if this is the form? Some student. Remember how you check the formula? Divide this one by 2. What is 8 divided by 2? 4. 4 square is, oh, so that match. That's the formula. Okay. So you can just write it here. What is my second? The one before you like 2 divided by 2. That's it. Okay. 8 divided by 2 is it minus or plus? Minus. Okay. From here, you can say that. You got 2. Now Louis, go ahead. Solution. 12. 0. Where did you get 12? What's your random? 0 and plus 4. That's it. That's it. Okay, one more for Lewis. Yeah, negative doesn't matter because if you want, you can just multiply everything by -1 or you can bring to the other side. Okay. Right now, maybe we can take a 5-minute break before we move into the next part. Okay. I think it's good. Okay, after our grouping, the sign. How do we know when we're going to use this? The sign is there are 4 terms. So for all the problem you work in it, is only 2 terms. Like this, 3 terms, this 2 terms. Okay. Now, if whenever you see 4 terms, for sure it's going to be grouping. Okay. You can say only 2 steps. Right, so the direction is still solving. Okay. Just write it step by step. You're gonna work on it step. What is the last number? What is the last number? What is the last number of seven? Melody, what is the last name? 10?
Our last one.
Oh, 10, only 10. 11? So that's wrong. Right? Oh, we only went 11.
Well, you didn't write the numbers down.
I feel that's a lot. Ready?
I don't.
Yeah, yeah. Good enough. You good enough. Just rise. Right with this. Sure. The first thing you catch my body eating. Okay. How do I know this is factor by group? Because the four term. Okay. What is the first step? Group them into 2 pairs like GCD. Usually, let's just start with the first 2. If they are already in standard form. Are they in standard form? Yeah, so let's try the first 2. If it doesn't work, then try this pair. So I'm gonna try this. Right? Group them into 2 pairs. Right. What is the GCD? Okay, group them into 2 pairs and GCD. What is the GCD of that? X squared. X squared. Remember, the least power is the GCD. The least power is squared. So x squared. What do you have left? X plus 1. Very good. Now this one, just copy that. Okay. This is my first. Okay, this is my second. Right up there. Now, look at this. Take out the same factor of two groups. What is the same thing you see here for those two groups? Only x, only one. X plus one. Look at this. X plus one here. X plus one here. Yeah. Now, I want to take that same factor out. Okay? So, x plus one out. What do I have left inside? The first root, I took out x minus x plus one out. What do I have left? X squared. The second root, I took out the x plus one out. What do I have left? We give me nothing. You take out this two out. Let's say this is 7. Okay, let's take x of 7. Okay, let's take the 7 out. I have x squared plus 1, right? 1, that's a visible one. Yeah, that's visible one. So here is same thing. It's not 0. Remember, it's not 0. So 0 times this would be 0. So it should be 1. I will go so far. That's it. That's the grouping. That's it. Now you don't need to solve it, right? Yeah. So what is the answer? 81 and keep talking. Keep talking. Keep talking. Keep talking. I will tell you. That's it. No answer. Right? Is? Huh? Oh, no, talk about the real one. I want the real one. No, real one. This is always positive. If you add on another positive, you know there never be this, there never be 0. So no answer here. Just this. Okay? It's a good design. GCD? Any two? You can see. Right, you can add this one with this one. Oh. Yeah, you can too. You can too. As long as you get something in common. You can, I think in this case, you can also add. You can also add x cubed and x. You can also do that too. Okay. I'll get back to you. Okay. So you can also add this. You can look at what. If you took out the x right out, what do we have left? You have x squared plus 1, and this is also x squared plus 1. Yeah. So it also works. It also works. Okay. So yes, the not all of them. You will see some of this. Yeah, you will see.
But that makes some shit again.
Oh.
I don't want to hear this. Why are you saying this out loud?
Okay, yeah. All right, let's finish it here. So I have two groups. I have two groups, right?
Yes.
They both have the factor x plus 1. If you see that like, for example, they both have 7. What do you want to do? You're gonna find out the 7, right? And then you're gonna find what you have left after this 7. So x squared 7, if you divide 7, you have x squared. Then 7, if you divide 7, you have 1. Same thing. The same common factor here is x plus 1. So if I took the x plus 1 out, just like I took the 7 out, what do we have left? We have then x plus 1, x plus 1. Like 7, 2 plus 7 is 1. Yeah. It's not the same thing as a kind of GCD, but in this case, GCD is like the whole thing, the whole polynomial. Hold on. Did you have a question? Okay. Let me know. Get back to you. Yeah, that's the grouping. Not too hard, right? Just need to cook. Cook them into 2 air. And one at the same time. You know, right? Show you what is the factor.
No, like that's.
Oh, yes, it is about yes.
So we could just leave it?
That's okay. If I cannot read your environment,
Three.
no, no, still come. Oh, you want part three? Yeah.
Is that a five?
Three. So usually to put them in standard form and try the first two. Okay, usually I would say 70%. Okay, that's is that right? We gotta go next. That's question. Did you do it? Yeah, you gotta do it. Okay. All right. Let's group the first two and the last two. Okay, just try out first. I think 70% or 80% that work. Okay, now what did you see? X squared, right? What did you have? Very good. Now, second group, what did you see? See, but is it negative or positive? If it is negative, put negative. Now, what did you have? 48 you have. Now, what is the common factor? X minus 3. What is the factor? That's out. That's out. What did you have there? What three? Now, that's okay. Now, can you get this? After check out X minus 3. Huh? So this is two groups, right? This is my first group. They have the same factor, which is the so I'm gonna take that out. What do we have left? This question. X squared, right? What do we have left for the second after two? Negative 16. Now let's go. What's the answer? That's that. Then next equal to? Yeah, equal to 5 plus minus 4 because this is. Look at your example 5 or 6. This is. Yeah.
So, is it like?
Only if they're focused. Right? Why once?
Why do you have to read that?
This? This one?
Yeah.
No, because it's plus. The formula is minus. Yeah, your formula is. Yeah, 1.4. Question over. Any other question? Yes. Right. You got the same both have it. So let's take them out. Like you got out the GCD, right? GCD in this case and the whole polynomial. Exponential is polynomial. It's more complicated. Let's both seconds. After you took them out, what do you have left? You can write here. Just send the more questions. But boys, we are solving this. Now remember x squared minus 60. You can do combination. Eventually, you're gonna got this. Or you can solve in number x squared equal to 60. Take the square root. X is plus minus. So easy way is if you see that them like this, perfect square, 16 to 12 square. Square root is that. Question?
Ew. Ew. I know, I know. It can't be good.
Can you rate this? Oh, you know why? They already read standard form, but usually the standard form is what the only work. If you were a standard form, the first two always work. Yeah.
Oh, these two.
Yeah, yeah, okay, then if you let them write them next to each other. Do this one. No, no, how do you do it?
Like I'm
It's not like you have to, but that's how you solve it.
Is this gonna be the quiz we shake down?
Yeah.
Oh, I never mind that.
Yes, see, they have the same factor. Simplify and policy is same thing. Does that work? Yeah. Oh, I have some. Carlos, you wanna do it? All right. What do you want to do first? Is it standard form? Yeah. It's not like required you need to do standard form, but if you do standard form, the first two they usually work, like 80%. So write them again in standard form. Okay. Rearrange them. Now let's try the first two. And the last two. What did you see if we can count first? Is where would we see? Very good. What do we take out for the last two? Negative 9. What do we have there? Plus 5, right? Negative 45 divided by negative 9. That's the positive 5. And now you can see we have the same factor as c plus 5. Same factor as c plus 5 or 2 roots, right? You're going to check out that factor. Same factor. What do you have left for the first root? What do you have left for the second root? Minus 9. Right? So what the answer then C is? And C is? Good. How to skew it? One form of colors. What do next? David, what do you?
I
Here's the problem. Then if we have enough point, let them give David. Hold on. Okay, 10 off. done with that one? Any questions again?
You don't have
C plus 5. Okay. But if you check out, let me divide it. Okay. C by C divided by C. Okay. Found it, you found it. All right, 15. David, go ahead.
So you add 63.
Yes, standard form, right? You want one side to be 0 as well. So you're going to add 63 to one side. So now write out in standard form as well. 3x cubed minus 7x squared minus 27x plus 63 equal to 0. Now, what next?
You make two groups.
Back to Europe, what group do you want to pair?
Three. The 3x and the 7x squared.
Okay. Okay, you can run 2. But I think this one, if you can, if you want to do 3x cubed, negative 27x. Okay, it's up to you. You're going to say answer. So, you still group the first two. Yeah, I told you, if you just put them in standard form, usually the first two and the last two will overwork. And what is this usually for this?
X squared.
What do you have left?
3x
Minus 7. Okay. What is usually for this two?
negative 9.
Negative 9.
3x minus
3x minus 7. Very good. 63 divided by negative 9 is negative 7. Okay. Now you see that they have the same common factor again. If you didn't get the same common factor, that's that.
x squared.
Very good. What is the answer? X is
X 703. And x plus minus 3.
over 11. Right, last one. Last one. Last one.
Can
I don't know what to do.
One more.
you tell me?
Okay, do it by yourself. Raise your hand when you're done. Then I'm gonna give you the homework. That's là exit ticket. Okay, that's it. And also, take the homework 60 out so I can give you the thing. I didn't check it this. In the beginning.
You should go to the next one. Forget.
There's no rule. I need to check it first. It just depends.
Yeah, depend on the thing.
Okay, so raise your hand if you're done. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna check if you're. So even though the homework look like a lot, but actually the first part. Okay, let me tell you this. Actually,
What was that?